Welcome back, everyone. So in this video, we'll be learning how to customize our WordPress theme. So stay tuned and watch how we do that. So first of all, we'll be going to our appearance. So this is where our theme is. Remember, this is where we installed our theme. This is the theme we installed the last time, and here is the website, and this is what it looks like. So moving forward, we will edit the contents here on this website that we can see here. So this would be like a basic knowledge of how to customize themes using WordPress Customizer. So we are going to edit this text we are seeing here. We can change some buttons, add some links, maybe create some pages as well that can also be redirected. So this is the footer, and this is the header, and this is where our logo is meant to be. Maybe we can put in a default logo here, make some editings, and change this text as well. You can change the color. So these are icons, these are buttons, so we can add links to these buttons. Can also change the background color of the website as well. Okay, so back to our theme. So for customization, here in the front page of the website, if you're already logged in as an admin, you should be able to see this edit site here. So let's go back to our website. So here is our website. Let's go to the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, we are going to click on visit site to open it on a new tab. So this is the site we just opened on a new tab. Here it is, and we will be editing this website right now. So let's click on edit site. So this is a default platform for WordPress editing. So this is a WordPress customizer. So this is the customizer that comes with the WordPress on default. So after this, we'll be also checking out how to use Elementor to edit our pages. So that will be during the plugin section. We'll be installing a plugin called Elementor and some other plugins that will be assisting us here on our website. So now I just clicked on edit site, so you can see the sidebar for the website. You see the header, you see the footer, this is the page. You can see now everything is editable, it's clickable. You can add, you can remove, you can see all through to the footer. So first, let's start from this the front page, which is this top side. So let's change this text. So we have best solution marketing theme. So we are going to change this text. So let's change this to we can say best. I'll call it best no. So we'll call this best, call it real estate marketing theme. So we've changed this to best real estate marketing theme, and there's a text here. We can also change this to, okay, we give you the best. But this is too short. I will show you how to generate content for your website using ChatGPT. I think I will be showing you that in another video, not this, but for now, I just want to show you how to edit text. The next video will be how to generate better content for your website. So you can at least have the things, the ones you can't remember yourself, an AI can do that for you. So let's moving on. So we're able to change these header text, the sub header text, and this is the button here. You can see get started, you see learn more. So get started, we can change this to okay. We can change this to um maybe I don't know, but this should be the text here, but let me just say login. So let's assume this website has a login and a sign up page. So we can use this as login and change this learn more to sign up. So let's assume we are accepting users on our website. We can change that to this. Now for the links, so if you see, if I click on this, if I click and hover on this button, you can identify that here it's a button. You can move it around. This is the alignment. You can change the position of how it is. You can align the text left or right. You can make it bold. So let's just highlight everything and make it bold. You can see it's bold and make it thin back and it's thin. So I can click on more. And here you can, okay, let's click here. Okay, this is where you can rename, copy, duplicate. So this is what, if you want to duplicate this button, just click on template. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I want us to add a link to this button. So here is the button and this is the link. So you can see link. So let's click on it. So you can be able to insert a link. So let's assume your website's name is maybe my site.com slash login. See it? If it's a PHP extension, you use .php. If it's Laravel or WordPress, you can just use slash login. It's going to redirect you to the login page. So if I click on submit, it's going to add this link to this button. So for any time I click on this link, it's going to take me to the login page, but we don't have that created yet. So we can also do that for this. Okay, we did that for the sign up. Sorry, let's edit and change this to sign up. Enter and change and add the link for the login. We can copy this, paste it here and call this login. Enter. So now we've been able to add links to our button. So as you can see, we added we've changed the header text, changed the sub header text, and also changed the button names and added links to it. So let's also see if we can change this image. So we have an image here. So you can see here, let's scroll down, see what we can change. Let's find out how to insert an image to make a visual statement. So how can we do that? Okay, so as you can see, if I hover here, you can see replace, you can see add a caption, you can see add text, cover image, you can crop this image, you can also add a link to this image in case you want this image to be clickable. It's okay, this is where you can select images if you want to change it. But if you want to replace this particular image, so you can click on replace, open our media. Let's see the images we already have. Say media library. So as you can see, we don't have images here in our library. So what we'll do is to upload an image. So first off, let me click select. Where can I find images now? Let me go to this folder. Okay, I have some images here. So let's just quickly select this image and upload. So this is the image we just selected. We had to click select. So you can see our image has been changed to the new one. What else can we change? So this is let me tell you another thing. This is a section. Each in WordPress, the pages are being grouped in sections. So as you can see, this whole blue area is a section of its own, and this section, this providing the best service to client, is also a section of its own. So we can change the text. Let's say we don't want this. Let's say we don't want this. We can come here, highlight, click this button, scroll down. You can delete. So we've deleted that. If you don't want this whole section entirely, you can delete it and see. So as we deleted that, it just went off. You can change this button, more services. If you can leave, let's leave it to services alone. You can also add a link. Remember how I showed you how to add a link? You click here, you add the link to the button. You can also change this text, providing best services to clients. You can just say, okay, providing, maybe let's say profound services to clients. Everything here is editable, as you can see. All editable. You can change it to anything, you know. So the reason why we'll be using ChatGPT, so let's assume you want to get a brief content for maybe the digital market analyst, or you want to get analysis here, or you want to get a networking support content, or you want to get business management content, or work financial advisor content. So you just go to the ChatGPT. We're going to learn how to prompt the ChatGPT and get content from ChatGPT. So that will be what I'll be teaching you in the next video. So let's just undo this. Let's undo this. So you know how to undo. Control Z if you want to undo what you already did. So you can see the text we deleted is back. So same thing here. All these are contents that can be generated using ChatGPT. Can change them. These are images. These are all text. You can change it to, say, you can change it 40 years plus. So everything here is editable. Even this whole white card you're seeing here, we can change the color as well. Can change the color of this, change the text in this. These are all texts. You can add links to all this and create the pages for them individually. So you can exercise with this. This is really a good practice. You can really learn from doing this. This is the footer. Remember, you can add an image, change this from a text to a real logo. We'll also be getting a logo from Canva that we'll be using as a default logo for our website. So, this for the header, these links, this is the menu. So we'll be adding links to this, as you can see. So let's click on home. We can add a link to the home. See it doesn't direct us anywhere. That's why you can see this hash. So we can actually create a page for it, you know, give it a name, home.php, or give it index.php, you know, or just give it home and create a page for it. You know, when we create a page for it, we can now start working on the page. The same thing for the about us page, but this is the default home page. As you can see, this is the default home page, so this is good. You can leave this, but work on the about us services and the reviews page. Same thing with the blog. This is the blog page where the post will be loading up from. So there's a whole lot to do, a whole lot. So I just want you to familiarize yourself with this, really watch this video again so you can really understand. If there's anything you don't get, you can drop a message in the comment section. Once I see it, I'll reply you quickly. So really, thank you for watching this video. I think I'll stop this video for now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. I will really be expecting you in the next one. Thank you.